Hey everybody, welcome back to Nico Brothers. So for today we get to work on our 2012 Lexus that we bought for our budget build. Basically it's the ballpark. It was about $5,000, so $6,000, you know, plus or minus. Kind of light damage, knee assembly, front bumper, fender. Shouldn't be too bad. Hopefully we'll knock it out soon and get this thing back in the road. Let's get right at it. Let's go pick it up at Copart. Alright guys, Lexus is getting ready. I got my wheelbarrow full of parts, got my tools there. It's all jacked up, ready for this new knee assembly. Then we could drive it off the trailer, hopefully. That is the plan. Ivan's working on the bumper and the fender, getting that painted. Knock it out in no time. This thing will be back in the road before you know it. Hopefully no other hidden damage behind the wheel. And just like that, the wheel came right off. It was awesome that I actually found the wheel lock inside the trunk, so that's good news because that would have been a pain in the butt. Well, let's check out the damage. So it looks like we do have some hidden damage right there. So that's separated a little bit. We have to weld that back, put some more rubber sealant or whatever this is on there. So we'll get that fixed. Inner tie rod end is definitely in half. But overall, it's still here, so our shock isn't bent that bad. Yeah, lower control arm. The obvious stuff that we need to do, but no big deal. Let's get it taken apart. And a little short time after, there we go guys, I got it all taken apart. So basically that lower control arm is not the easiest to take off. I got to take off the subframe, not the subframe, the engine mount that's connected to the subframe right there. Basically because it covers up the bolts for that lower control arm, which is great. What a design. You have to lift up the engine, transmission just to get that out. That's fun, but not a big deal. At least the bad parts are out. I'm gonna get the axle out right there, pop that off. Should be good to go to get it back going together. So getting kind of late out here, but this knee assembly is on. That lower control arm was a pain for sure. I still need my sway bar link. My inner tie rod is missing. They don't have one. It's coming out of Atlanta, so hopefully get that tomorrow. But overall, it's looking good.
All right, so just like that, we are ready. Got the bumper sanded down. Actually had a clear bra on it, so that took a while to get off, but we got that off. We got the fender all scuffed. We're gonna put 2 coats of base and 2 coats of clear. And just like that, we'll be done. So let's get straight to it.
So my parts came in. I got my inner tie rod, sway bar link, got a new brake hose. The old one wasn't horrible, but at the same time, it's like I'm down here, might as well replace it. I seen a little wear on it. I was like, whatever. Also got that all sealed up, good to go. Nicely put together. Happy about that. Let's put the wheel on it, try to get alignment done. I even got the bumper painted, it's looking nice. So let's go ahead and get that piece together, put the grill, the fog lights, the little plastic pieces, trim it all together, get it onto the Lexus. And there we go, fog lights in, little plastic molding, grill. Looking good, let's get it together. So really quickly, did alignment on it, that's all good to go. Wheel is looking straight, got some new tires, and also got a new tire in the back, making that look all nice. Now it's ready for the fender and the bumper. Moving right along to get this thing knocked out. Fender came off fairly simply, just a couple bolts on top, a couple on the side, not a big deal. Don't see any hidden damage, that's important. Everything else looks pretty nice and secure. Awesome, let's go ahead and put that new fender on there, and then we'll be able to work on the bumper. One step at a time, getting it done. So roughly on there kind of thing. Definitely need to just do some finer adjustments to it. My little bracket's broken on that side, but overall it is on there. So the bumper had that clear bra, so the hood still has it, but definitely getting there. Closer, step by step. Nice. All right guys, let's do a quick price breakdown on how much this Lexus cost us. Picked it up from Copart for $5,968. That's after all the fees, about 30% of your winning bid. So when you're buying a vehicle and your budget's $5,000, you definitely got to go a little lower than that, account for all the this and that miscellaneous fees. You know, that's just part of it. Copart makes money, insurance makes money. At the end of the day, hopefully we make money, or everybody makes money. That's part of it. No big deal. So they're happy, we're happy. But we picked it up locally, so it's down the road. Shipping didn't really cost us anything, maybe 20 bucks for gas. All good. We had a truck and trailer, so that definitely helps. But keep in mind for shipping as well. So moving right along to this side, the knee assembly, 350 bucks. It's pretty sweet. It gives you a little control arm, everything that you kind of need there, strut. We had to get some tires for it because they were both blown. $185, both tires on each side. The wheel itself was $100. Not bad, I would say it's a pretty good deal. Matched right up, so it took a little bit to find the parts, but hey, we got them. Also, nothing else, I guess. Paint wise, yep, $182 for that, so $185 for the tires, $182 for the paint. But overall, looking pretty good. So at the end, this basically cost us $6,900. Those plus and minus a couple little small things. We got the brake hose, inner tie rod end here and there, but no big deal. I mean, for a Lexus, under 7K, that's really nice. SUV, I think that's pretty good. This one definitely has a lot of cool features. It's got like a little mouse pad in here. It's pretty sweet on the center console. You can like move around and click OK and stuff. I never did that before. I never seen that, honestly. Interior is really nice. No airbags deployed. Like I said, we still need to button up a couple things here and there in the front, but overall, it's getting there. We're gonna wrap it up and get it back on the road. But unfortunately, that's all the time for this episode, guys. I know it's kind of quick rebuild, but wasn't too much damage, and you kind of see the process. But if you want to see more in-depth, longer, bolt by bolt, let us know. Leave some comments down below, and we'll show you some more and how we, get into a nitty-gritty kind of thing. But thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.